our pizza dough is what I do is I take flour, this flour, some of the flour you've already ground, and set it on your parchment paper. And then you're just going to take some scoops of this and just put it down on top of the flour. And it just depends on how big you want your pizzas, how big you make it. And we're going to do 2 pizzas on here. Okay, and then we're going to take more flour and put it on the top. And then we're just going to pat that out with flour until we get the thickness we want our dough. And I kind of like thin crust. So we're just going to pat that out. And it's a sticky dough. So if it gets sticky, just put a little more flour on your hands. Here we go. And I bake these in a pizza oven, in a regular oven. Sometimes I'll par bake them. Par baking means where you take them and you just bake them for 2 to 3 minutes, not all the way. And then I'll take them and let them cool and put them in parchment paper and throw them in my freezer. Then when I want a quick pizza, I can pull them out, cover them, and put them in the oven, and I have a great, I don't have to go through the whole process every time of making the dough. So there's our dough. That's beautiful. Now what we're going to do is we're going to top that with sauce and cheese and pepperoni, and we're going to put it in a hot oven to bake. So we have our gluten-free pizza dough here. Now we're just going to put a little bit of sauce on it. And I'm doing 2 side by side. And I made mention before that I've done this outside in my pizza oven. It works great. So if you're having people coming over and you're doing a pizza party and someone says they're gluten-free, this is a great one to use. I did an event recently and I made this for the hostess of the event. She hadn't had pizza in a couple years. She literally broke into tears when she bit into the pizza. And so it's just a great dough. It's not going to be like other pizza doughs, but it's a close second. It's pretty good. And then we're going to put cheese on the top. And there again, the different grains you use are going to change the texture. I have buckwheat, which I happen to love in this one. But if it's a little too strong for you, just try another grain. And of course you can put anything on pizza. We're just doing the simple cheese and pepperoni today. Seems to be everybody's favorite. But there again, I've tried this with everything. Pesto, you name it, I put it on my pizza and it's great. And I love these little baby pepperonis because you get a pepperoni in every bite. There you go. Our pizza is out of the oven. We just wanted to show you the end result. It's great. Let me just tell you a trick about cooking gluten-free pizza dough. Use a pizza stone if you can. The end result is going to be much better. I'll normally put them on 2 pieces of parchment paper and then bake them on the stone. The stone will get hot and the bottom is going to be crispy. And that's really the secret about any pizza dough. You want a crispy bottom on the dough. Here's our gluten-free pizza. Enough to make my friend burst into tears. It was good. Look at that. The dough rose nice and well. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Gluten-free has never been better. The Chef Brad way and the WonderMill WonderMix way, helping you have a healthier lifestyle.